Hi students, MCQ number 12. An inductor 20 millihenry, a capacitor 50 microfarad and a resistor of 40 ohm are connected in series across a source of EMF given by V equal to 10 sin 340 t. The power loss in the AC circuit has to be determined. So this type of problem is little bit lengthy. So many calculations we have to do, but very easy. Okay, what are all the given quantities? I am going to make a list. First one is inductance. The self-inductance is 20 millihenry. So L equal to 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Henry. Capacitance of the capacitor is C equal to 50 microfarad. So micro is 10 power minus 6 farad. And a resistor, okay, R equal to 40 ohm. So L, C, R, they are connected in series. The values are given. So what is the source of EMF? This is V equal to V maximum into sine of omega into T. So in place of omega, what is given? Omega is equal to 340 radian per second. And V maximum is equal to 10 volt. V maximum is 10 volt. Therefore, V RMS voltage, this is equal to V maximum divided by square root of 2. So this is equal to 10 divided by square root of 2 volt. So all these informations we have to gather first. Okay, in the LCR series circuit, individual opposition offered by the resistor, capacitor and inductor are capital R, XL and XC we have found. So what is the net opposition offered by the LCR combination to the flow of AC? That is called impedance. That we have to find out. So impedance is equal to Z. Impedance is Z. So this Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. So this is the expression. Impedance Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. That we have to find out. Okay. So what is this? First of all, we should find out XL and XC. Then we can substitute in this. So I will find out what is XL. XL is equal to omega into L. So this is now equal to omega is 340. So this is 340 multiplied by L. L is 20 into 10 power minus 3. So 20 into 10 power minus 3. So this is equal to 34 into 2 is 68. 34 2s are 68. Then double 0 is there. Okay, double 0 into 10 power minus 3 is there. So this is equal to 6.8 ohm. XL is equal to 6.8 ohm. Okay. Like that, XC we have to find out that. XC is equal to 1 by omega into C. So this is equal to 1 divided by omega. Omega is 340 into capacitance C is 50 into 10 power minus 6. No, that will go up. So this is 10 power plus 6. So this is equal to this 0 and 0 get cancelled. So remaining is 10,000 divided by 34 into 5. So 150, 170. 5 into 3. So 170. So again, if you cancel this means this will come as 58.8. So this is equal to 58.8 ohm. So you have to verify this with a calculator. 58.8 ohm is coming. So what is the value of XL? XL is 6.8 ohm and XC is 58.8. So what is XL minus XC? So that is equal to 58.8 minus 6.8. So this difference 58 point, so this is 52.8 and 0.8 will cancel, so 52 ohm. So systematically we have to do all these calculations patiently. Understand? It will take some time to solve the problems. So now in this expression for impedance Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. Therefore now impedance Z is equal to square root of, in place of R square is what? 40 square. So this is 40 square plus 52 whole square. So this is equal to square root of 4 4s are 16. So this is 1600 plus 52. 52 the whole square is 2704. So 52 square is 2704. If you want, we can verify with the calculator. Understand? I remember that 52 square is what? 2704. So now these to be added. So 16 plus 27. I will add here and find out. Okay, 2704 1600. So this is 4034 4304. So we have found the impedance Z is equal to square root of 4304 ohm. Let it be as it is. Okay. Now we have to find the power loss. So power loss is equal to I square RMS into resistance. This is the power loss in AC circuit. And I square RMS is equal to what? V square RMS. Okay, V by Z. Okay, V RMS by Z the whole square. Understand? Into the resistance R. So instead of V RMS, already we have found the value. This is 10 by root 2. So here numerator V RMS is equal to 10 by root 2 the whole square divided by Z. Z is what? Root of 4304. So if you take square of this number, root will be cancelled. So directly it will become what? 4304 will come. Understand? So now we have to substitute the values. Okay. So power loss is continued here. 10 by root 2 the whole square is 10 square by root 2 whole square. That is equal to what? 100 by 2. So this is equal to 100 divided by 2 whole divided by 4304. So this is equal to 100 by 2 is 50. So 50 divided by 4304. So if you do the calculation using a calculator means this will be equal to 0.46. Okay, therefore power loss will be equal to 0.46 watt. So which of the following options is correct? You see that option C is the correct answer. Therefore option C is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood the fine.